So now that you've finished using type to represent the concept of an apple, same as always, I want you to save it, lock that layer, and create a new layer, and I want you to call this layer Scale. I'm going to go to the Scale Artboard. So now with scale, we're going to think about dimensional elements in relation to the other elements in the design. So think of relations between. So we can play around with changing the size of one. This represents scale. We can think about where it is in the composition and the relativity of the scale, the size from one to the other. There's one more thing that I want you to look at in terms of scale, and that is if we think of alignment. When we're putting objects on our page, on our artboard, we can put them willy-nilly, but what if we want it to actually sort of be in alignment with each other? That's when we go Window, Align, and you can see I've aligned up here. If you want to take some of these objects, we can align them. You need to make sure that you tell the program whether you want it to align to a selection or a key object or an artboard. So say I want to align it to just between the selection here. I can space them out horizontally, align them all to the left. I can also align to the artboard, so I can align them all to the left side of the artboard. So there's a lot that I can do there. So with the scale, I want you to think of dimensional relationship, but I also want you to try to play around with using the Align panel.